So what's up guys, today try natin i-polish itong gems na ito. So without any further delay guys, I'll show you how to polish these things, and make sure to watch until the end, because until the end of this video, para kung gusto mong matutunang mag-polish ng isang rough stone. So yan, I'll show you how in this video. Yo, what's up mga Gemstone Philippines? Today I'm going to show you how to polish a rough stone, which here what I'm holding right now. I'm gonna show you how to polish these rough stones, and if you don't have any machines or polishing tools, walang problema yung guys. I'll show you how simple things, a DIY or do-it-yourself process, how to polish this rough stone. So stay tuned, make sure guys to watch this video till the end para malaman nyo guys yung mga step by step process kung paano magpakintab ng isang gemstone or isang rock. So without any further delay guys, let's start these things. So guys, paalala lang, kung magpa-polish kayo ng isang bato or gemstone, make sure guys nga naka face mask kayo. Pero the best thing guys, kung meron kayong gas mask, mas okay yon. Kung gumagamit kayo ng mga machines or mga polishing tools. Pero kung wala naman guys, sandpaper lang po yung gamit nyo, gamit pa rin kayo ng gas mask or face mask na hindi mo malanghap po yung usok. Kasi mostly of gemstones guys, yung mga particles na yung mga usok niya is toxic po, at hindi natin pwedeng ma-inhale natin yun. So yun guys, safety lang. At saka guys, kung gumagamit din kayo ng mga polishing machine, dapat naka gas mask at saka naka naka goggles kayo, yung maprotektahan po yung mata natin. And yun, to alam mo naman guys, yung pag tumalsik yung tiny pieces of gems or rocks in our eyes, big possibilities na mabulag tayo, kasi you know, hardest of this gemstone is average is 7, so it's harder than metal, so delikado. So you must beware safety tools first before going to polish a certain stone. So yun lang po, paalala ko. So ayan mga kabato, so we're getting started na. So first step guys, gagamit ako ng carborundum, which is this one. Since wala akong tools, kung may mga carborundum kayong high quality dun sa mga bahay nyo na tinago, you can use it for first step. But before we the first step talaga guys, itong malaking grit, ito, once niya matanggal na itong mga uneven or even part of the stone, you can proceed to the next grit. I think this one is 120 and this one is 80 grit. Basta from smallest grit to the greatest, or to the highest grit. Sample guys, from 80, 120 or 180, then 360, and then kung may 400, okay, then proceed to 600 grit, and then 8, then 1000 up to 2000, right? So let's go. ano guys, grit is try ko ng 180 guys. 180 grit. Wait lang. Ito guys, 180 grit. Kita na ba? Yan. That one, 180. So, hopefully guys na though hindi siya masyadong na ano sa carborundum, pero try natin dito sa 180 guys. So, let's go. Sa ngayon medyo natanggal ko na yung mga rough surface ng stone. So ngayon gagamitan ko na po siya ng rotary tool. Meron ako dito, and ayan na po yung mga grit na ginagamit ko. Ito guys, nasa mga 600 grit na po ito. Ayan. And this one is, I think it's 1000 grit. Wala kasing level doon sa likod. So let's get started. Guys, ito na po yung last, yung final polish. I think it's 1000 grit ito, yung blue na yan. So ito po yung stone na unti na po siyang kumintag. Kaya nyo ba? Ano? So let's go. So ito na guys, na-polish ko na siya, although hindi siya ganoon ka-shine guys, kasi you know, kulang tayo sa gamit. And then yung nabili kong ano guys, ito, yan, yung kunting polishing pad na yan is madaling mapudpod kasi nabili ko lang siya sa Lazada guys. But all in all, okay naman siya. To ano na, ang disadvantage lang kasi ito pag nagpa-polish ka ng DIY guys, yung wala kang polishing tools, nakaka-ano sa kamay, nakakangawit sa kamay guys. So yun lang, thank you for watching guys. And kung nagustuhan nyo po ang video na ito, so consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell guys, para every time na mag-upload ako ng panibagong adventure, panibagong rock hunting is updated kayo guys. So yun lang for today's video.